Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for May 15th, 2018. Corn market up 4 to 5 today after trading steady to lower here for part of the day. Bean market mixed on the close after trading as much as 12 to 14 lower. Chicago wheat steady to up 2. Minneapolis wheat steadied up 3. Kansas City steadied up 1. So grain markets had a nice reversal here as we work through the latter part of the session. It had a good overnight start, faded during the day, and then came back here. And, a lot going on here. We've got trade negotiations with NAFTA. We've got Chinese delegation in the U.S. We've got the dollar index up 70 cents. We've got weather that's great for a lot of areas, but we've got a kind of an I-90 corridor, as I'll call it, from Sioux Falls, South Dakota into Milwaukee, Wisconsin, that is far too wet. We've got rain working in, which is great news for some, bad news for other. It's just a real mix of information. So expect the choppiness to continue, the back forth action here. We are getting some oversold conditions in corn, beans, and wheat, which is why we're looking to some ownership ideas, and we can talk to you more about details there. On the NOPA side of things, it came in right in line with expectations. A little friendly meal, a little negative on the oil side. Informa also out 89 million acres of corn planting. I think I'd try to argue that one right now with the wet conditions in southern Minnesota, but otherwise beans at 89.4 million acres and spring wheat at 12.4, just down 200,000 acres there on the spring wheat. Feeder cattle down 180 to $2, live cattle down 150 to 165, hog market down $1 to $1.40. So when you look to the details there, a weaker tone, liquidation, managed money continues to be sell pressure there. Hogs reeling on the news that maybe there wasn't a negotiation deal before these meetings with China, but beans kind of show alternatively. So we'll kind of sort out the details here in the China delegation negotiations. The cattle market, a bend but don't break, but now we are to those support measures. So it'll be very interesting to see what we can hold up here. As we look to tomorrow, guys, look for another choppy day. We do think this grain market, if it can kind of accelerate to the top side here, opens up some very nice price counts, but you need to be ready to market because these may come and go very quickly. We do have better looking summer weather than what we were looking at 3 months ago, but we got to get the crop in first. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.